Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's session, we'll work on painting a miniature figure, building the character step by step from the initial sketch to the final details. Using the reference figure, we'll create its mirror image while focusing on constructing the full body and refining costume elements. We begin with a light outline of the figure. Around it, we make small studies of individual features such as hand, leg, jewelry, costume details, and duty, the footwear, to guide your work. Next, we understand the figure's structure. We break the body into sections: the head, torso, and the lower garment to help maintain correct proportions. Once the sketch is complete, we move on to painting. Start with flat base color. Apply a smooth, even base tone for the skin. Avoiding any patchiness, we use ochre to darker skin tones and yellow for the decorative lace elements, and begin the jewelry with a green base layer to establish depth. Let this layer dry completely before proceeding. Once dry, we introduce secondary details. We use gold color to paint lace accents around the wrists, ankle, and the neckline, and finally filling the jewelry with red color. After all elements are painted, we define the borders with clean outlines using the black color. Finally, as demonstrated earlier, we add highlights using white color to enhance the details and bring the figure to life. As we progress, we will now paint the entire figure starting with lace color. We apply yellow color wherever there is lace in the garment. We use green color to cover the entire garment till the end of the skirt. We use orange color for clothing around the waist area. We will paint all the elements just as we painted them separately. We use green color for decorating the footwear as well. Since the garment is green, we match the footwear details as well. We use red to define folds and borders in the clothing, especially around the waist and the edges of the garment. Gold color can be applied for decorative patterns, ornaments, and trims to enhance the richness of the costume. Finally, we complete the painting with a clean outline using black color. This step sharpens the overall look and add details like jewelry, garment patterns which are at the bottom of the skirt, and accessories worn in ear and the neck area. We use white color to add highlight. The key highlight area brings attention to intricate details, and that's how we build a miniature painting step by step, starting from the basic sketch, layering the colors, and finishing with defined details. Thanks for watching and staying up till the end, and I hope this video helps you create your own masterpiece soon. Thank you.